Hi everyone. So thank you for liking that portion of this under the deck guard bed, but unfortunately I have this other side to make pretty. I do have 3 more. Let me show you all. Oh, that one doesn't have a tag. Strawberry shake hydrangeas that I got on clearance, half off, $15. I am a little privileged where in my Lowe's, if anything has dry leaves, if anything is looking bad, I can ask for a half off and they honor it. I have the best Lowe's half off clearance plant section. But back in the days, these same plants used to be $5 or $7. But I'm not gonna complain because this quarantine pandemic, COVID affected everybody. So y'all, I'm gonna transform this space. Stay tuned. I could do a lot of talking. I'm gonna put a pink rug back there, the pink set that I created earlier this year. I had given up on my pink and white garden because of roots that's under in my pool area. I ain't got time for that this year. So now I'm just gonna do a little pink and white mini thing over here. Also, this area couldn't initially be the pink and white garden because I have trees that are shading this area, but they're going to get cut really soon. I've been waiting a month now, but now I have some parched shade, probably full sun. We're going to see how many hours. So now these hydrangeas will be able to go in this area and many more plants. I'm about to search my whole garden for everything pink and white. Don't tell nobody I'm about to destroy the front garden. All right, you all, I do have a puddle here because every time I transplant roses, the leaves drop. So I tried to, okay, something moving in here. Oh, I heard something. So I tried to wet it before I transplanted and then add it. Oh, look at all of these insects inside my water. Add water in this. Watch out for the thorns. I brought the ground cover with me. Oh. Don't hurt me. Ah! Oh my gosh. It's the one thing I would pay somebody to transplant. Ah! Roses. Ah, shucks. It's not worth it. Wherever you put them, just leave them. See, I ain't taking my own advice. Oh. Y'all want to see how I did? Come to Georgia. This is real life. I planted this rose bush here. It's too close to the azalea. The sad part is, I may move the azalea anyway. So I have to move the camellia over, and now I think I have to move this rose bush over. I tell you, when you don't know what you're doing, it's just trial and error. You gotta get out here and move some stuff and move it again. Part 2, moving the rose bush. Gosh, why I have to be this dang rose? Come on, Rose. You do it. Ah. But this whole time I'm thinking about my grandma. I'm gonna name this garden after her. She passed away from breast cancer. I love college style because there's no rules. And I'm a chick that lives by my own rules. So it definitely represents me. I just love plants. These were inside a black container in the backyard, but it has pink leaves, so coming in is different texture. But I am about to borrow still these super petunias and trade them out for mums. But I'm going to water them first, you all. So water your super petunias first before you borrow them. Water gone. Purple mom going inside. decided to add my pink and white tea party chairs and table here. Okay, but this is going to be the area that I don't want no kids, and my dog just ran on my rug and put his little dog stains. So I need to find some gates like really fast, but y'all stay tuned. I need these gates for Dream. Dream steps on my mom's all the damn long time. So I gotta block him out. Hopefully him and the kids get the point. Stay out my garden. See? But I'm not finished. You see how back there by that air conditioner, I'm missing something? I'm going to put a viburnum over there. White viburnum. Right up in there. Oh. Fill that hole with water. I do get sunlight back here, so it'll be okay. Did I dig deep enough? I did. Okay. Now this is close to the house. I'll see how it does. Might won't stay here forever, but for this year, it's going to stay. That job's done. You all, I have been out here for about 5 hours straight, but I just keep not technically fighting, but I keep thinking about the fight, those that fought breast cancer. So I'm going to keep going because it has to get finished. Now I'm transferring this Eugenia back here. Try for height near the pole. My condolences to everyone who lost someone. My grandma would be so proud of me. My grandma was blind too, by the way, so over time she had lost her sight. So she wouldn't be able to physically see this, but oh man, it sure will touch my heart if she could. tour. I worked really hard on this, everyone. All right. But I have to stop for now.